Developing tonight here at home, Hardin County remains under the threat of a whooping cough outbreak. Officials say, thanks to the state, they now have enough vaccines for whoever wants the shot. A week ago, Hardin County had 10 confirmed cases that prompted schools to shut down early for the holidays. But Hardin County isn't in the clear. 12 News reporter Kyle Orr visited both vaccine locations today, and Kyle, health officials are urging people to play it safe.
Absolutely, Jordan. Hardin County Assistant Health Director Latasha Jones says while it's a bit too early to determine if the number of cases will rise or fall within the coming weeks, the county has the means to keep you and your family protected.
It's a high demand now, and we have had more people today than in the past.
Latasha Jones is the Assistant Director for Hardin County Health. She says the state has stepped in to provide more of the Tdap vaccine to stop the spread of whooping cough in the county.
The vaccines arrived on Friday from the state. Before, we had around 14 to 15 Tdap vaccines available.
Jones says confirmed whooping cough cases are still coming in.
It was 11 confirmed Monday and 10 probable. We, encourage everyone if you want to get the vaccine to come in, because we do only have a limited supply.
The Tdap vaccine is intended only for children 7 and older, adolescents, and adults, with DTaP reserved for children under 7. Along with whooping cough, it protects against tetanus and diphtheria. Jones says it's a quick, easy, and free process to get the vaccine at either of the Hardin County health locations.
You will fill out the paperwork, and then the nurse will pull up your shot record to make sure that you have not had the Tdap, that you are eligible for the Tdap, and if so, she will administer the vaccine.
Jones encourages Hardin County residents to consider taking the vaccine to protect themselves and their families and stop the spread.
Yeah, just make sure if you have kids, if you have grandkids, if you have grandparents, just make sure that you are vaccinated, that you are protecting them.
There are currently 2 locations in Hardin County offering the vaccine, both in Silsbee and Kuntz. We'll have the information on our website. Live in studio, Kyle Orr, 12 News.
Kyle, thank you. And more info you need to know tonight. Southeast Texas is not alone. The CDC has reported at least 32,000 cases of whooping cough around the country in 2024. That's nearly 5 times more than last year, according to NBC. And again, vaccination remains your best bet to protect yourself.